Hello guys, welcome again. So we have here a demand bulb used on Scba units, and I'll be showing you on how to replace the main diaphragm and the bulb disc. Okay, so I am now using a tri-wing which is number 2, and I have already removed those screws so that it will be easy and for the demo. Okay, so this is now the demand bulb. This is your bypass knob. Next, you just need to twist a little bit and then align line over here, the middle of this and the middle of this cover. Okay, next one, it is aligned, you just simply pull it, then it will now be separated. Okay, so then take this one off, then like that. Next, if we want to change our main diaphragm, we just need to press over here, then remove it. Okay, we have also the bias spring. Next, if we will be changing with new one, we just need to apply fine grease on the lip of the main diaphragm. Okay, don't forget also the bias spring. Okay, so we can now insert it, and then we'll do it like this. Then yes, okay, just like that. Okay, next I'll be showing you on how to remove the valve disc is inside. So I'll be using this one. So this is now the valve disc. Okay, we'll change it with new one. We can place also a white grease krytox the edge of this. Okay, then we can now insert it. Okay, just like that. Okay, we can also use this one to push it. Next, in case the stem has been dismantled, okay, we can also just insert it like this, and then pull a little bit, and then align this one to your pin. Then insert it. It should be freely moving like this. Okay. Next, you can now insert it, then twist it like in a normal position, then twist a little bit just like when you have removed it, align again, then you can now put back the top cover, then twist, then put on the screw, and then that's it. Okay, after that we need to test using the fuzzy check. If it passes, then congratulations. So that's it guys, thank you for watching, bye.